back. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and join our family of Tarots. So this video is sponsored by Secret Key. If you haven't heard about Secret Key, it's one of the best Korean skincare brands. And today I would love to introduce you to one of their latest kits, which would be a great place to start from. So this is actually Secret Key starter kit, and it comes with 3 different contents. So the first one is an essence, then we have an eye cream and a face cream. So whenever I go in for a new product, what I check for is the list of ingredients, because sometimes your skin might be a bit more sensitive to certain ingredients, or it might react positively to a different set of ingredients. So here the essence, it actually has glycerin, butylene, glycol. Well, you know, there are going to be tons of ingredients, but you're not going to always identify all of those. But it's best to know certain ingredients that agree more to your skin. And as we go down this list, I actually found galactomyces. So if you're really into skincare products, you've got to know this ingredient. So galactomyces helps in revitalizing your skin, moisturizing it and brightening it. So whenever I pick out my product, I check whether it has galactomyces, and yes, the Secret Key's latest kit, it actually has it. So I would actually recommend it as a great starter. So let's check these 3 products. So here we've got the essence, and the eye cream, and the face cream. So in using this product, first of all, go with the essence, a single layer of the essence, followed by the face cream and then the eye cream. Massage it well into your skin until it's absorbed fully, and you should be able to see positive results within a few weeks. Want to hear something great? All my followers and subscribers, you guys get an amazing discount when you purchase this product using my code. I'll leave the link in the description box so you guys can check that out as well. And I would really love to hear your feedback, so remember to use this and let me know in the comment section below. So back to the same old thing that I always tell, remember to subscribe and hit your notifications icon. And this time you actually might want to do that, because I've got an upcoming giveaway that I'm organizing in partnership with this totally cool brand, and you might not want to miss on that. So if you want to stay in the loop and get notified about this giveaway, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram page. I really love you guys, so stay safe and stay blessed, and toodles for now.